arrhythmia rarely can occur in adult. Sinus arrhythmia in adult is rare. If at all it occurs, it is likely to be non-phasic or non-inspiratory. Usually does not require treatment. But some of the congenital heart diseases like large ASD may abolish sinus arrhythmia in children. So one of the important causes to suspect atrial septal defect in children is absence of sinus arrhythmia in children. So whereas the presence of sinus arrhythmia in adult can be produced by many conditions, the commonest being coronary heart disease, which is affecting the right coronary artery. You know, in 60% of patients, the right coronary artery supplies the sinus node. So whenever the sinus node becomes ischemic, it rates becomes irregular. So sometimes it beats faster, sometimes it beats slower. So spontaneously the heart rate quickens and slows down according to the ischemia of the sinus node. So the commonest cause of sinus arrhythmia in adult is coronary heart disease, and other causes are sick sinus syndrome. Whenever you have the sinus node is sick, it may fire rapidly and slowly, spontaneously. And third important cause of sinus arrhythmia in adult is digoxin toxicity. The earliest manifestation of digoxin toxicity is the presence of sinus arrhythmia. So it may be the earliest manifestation and sick sinus syndrome. And it is the commonest cause of irregular pulse in children. Many times we get opinion from or the reference from the pediatrics colleagues that patient has got an irregular pulse. What you have to see is just feel the pulse and just look at its relation to respiration. So if it quickens during inspiration and slows down during expiration, we definitely know this irregular pulse is because of sinus arrhythmia, which is physiological in children. But there are some complex arrhythmias which can mimic sinus arrhythmia. So this is the electrocardiogram you have. We have not given the age. So you can see that here during this point of time, you can see the heart rate is quickening. So during this part, you can see the heart rate is almost 100. So the same ECG strip, L2 rhythm strip, during this part, the heart is almost 100. But look at this part. In this part, you can see that the heart rate is almost 60 here. You can see almost it slows down and it spontaneously quickens and then slows down here. So this is a classical sinus arrhythmia. So slowing down, quickening, slowing down, quickening. So if you are able to clinically assess this quickening is due to respiration and it is due to inspiration here and due to expiration here, you know, it is respiratory sinus arrhythmia, and there is no relationship here. It may be a non-phasic sinus arrhythmia in adults. So phasic sinus arrhythmia is common in children and non-phasic sinus arrhythmia is common in adult. So that is important. Usually it does not require treatment, especially in children. Whereas in adult, you have to look for three important causes, namely the coronary heart disease, sick sinus syndrome, and digoxin toxicity. So the absence of sinus arrhythmia in children is abnormal because, you know, a large ASD may abolish this arrhythmia. So you have to look for conditions if the sinus arrhythmia is absent in children. Whereas presence of sinus arrhythmia in adult is abnormal. So the conditions, three conditions are coronary heart disease, sick sinus syndrome, and digoxin toxicity. So this is the importance of sinus arrhythmia. Then we go to the slow pulse.